Hello and welcome in. This is Charlene and Mr. Quasi, and we are first time gardeners. Hello to all my healers and my new time gardeners and professional gardeners. All are welcome here with love. On this channel, I focus on wealth and wellness, natural ways that we can heal. And one of the reasons I started my garden is because I believe, in fact, I know that if we can grow our own foods, it is a blessing because we understand where our food is coming from and we can make it truly organic. And we can grow the things that we love and the things that are healthy for us. So without further ado, I'm going to tap into this video and talk about some of the mistakes that we've made as first-time gardeners, and hopefully that can help someone. And if you're a professional gardener or you've been gardening for a while, please make sure you drop in the comments some things that we can do. Like, for instance, someone said to me the other day that if you plant, I believe it's sunflowers, that it can help to ward out bugs so the bugs won't eat your plant. So that was a great tip. So if you have any gardening tips, please be sure to drop it. It's not going to help just me, but the people in the community that might need this knowledge. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Please post bug.
BUG bug. Huh?
I can subscribe.
Subscribe? What's subscribe?
You said it.
Subscribe. I go
I
get
can subscribe.
like and subscribe. Make sure you share.
Okay.
The first mistake I made was buying the wrong type of soil. I did not know that there was a difference between soils that you use when you're doing in-ground versus just in a pot. So I got the in-ground soil, not knowing that that was just meant for when you're growing plants directly into the earth. So what I had to do is get the correct soil, which is the potting soil. Now, because I don't believe in wasting and that we can reuse everything, what I did is put the in-ground soil towards the bottom of the pots, and then I filled it up with the potting soil. So let's see how that works. Second mistake I made was putting the little seedling pots outside on the patio. Guess what happened? Strong winds came and it blew them over. So that's not a good idea for you to put the little pots out there. You want something sizable that's going to stand up if there's like a strong wind. I think another good way of dealing with this type of situation is to maybe have something that can secure your little baby plants in the small pots if you have no place inside to put it. Maybe if there's something that you can find that can keep them together and steady and protected as they collect rainwater, because that's one of the reasons I put them out, because I know we were expecting rain, so I wanted to take advantage of that. However, did not work out for me, so I am looking around to see if there's something that I can use to put them in to secure them while they're out there. So, next mistake I made, I did not organize, and this is such a silly mistake. I did not organize my seeds to know, okay, I'm going to put, let's say, lavender in this pot or carrots in this pot. I did not label it. I did not take the time to label or to remember and organize in a way where I know what is growing in what pot. So now we're going to just have to figure it out as the plants grow. Then I'll know what's what. The only thing I remember that I know where I planted exactly is my beets. And, the scallions, you could see it, that was an easy one, but I'm like, oh my God, you see what happened? And I'm not really blaming my neighbor. I take full responsibility because my neighbor came up as I was doing it and we began talking. So I got distracted and I did not pay attention to where I was putting what. So organize, because not every plant needs the same amount of sunlight or the same amount of water. So it's important to know which plants are going where, so you know exactly how to nurture it as it's in the beginning state, and so forth and so forth. But on and on, you know what? I embrace my mistakes. I've learned from them. So when I do this again, as I continue to grow and learn, I would know how to make it even better. So definitely stick around for more garden tips, garden mistakes and all the fun stuff that comes in between. I am looking forward to seeing how beautiful and bountiful our plants will get. I was looking every day like a little kid. Me and my little one. We were looking out every day, trying to see, oh my gosh, did anything grow? And guess what? We saw the first sprouts a few days ago. So let me share what that looked like. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. Have an amazing rest of your day. And remember, your health, your wellness is in your hands. Shout out and thank you to all my members, all my OG subscribers. If you're new to the channel, welcome in. There's always love, positivity, and great vibes over here. So join the tribe, subscribe, and check out the membership. It is a beautiful community. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Because you stood around to the end, here's a tip for my first-time gardeners. You don't need a lot of fancy tools to get started. All I got was gloves, which I really didn't use, and a small little shovel. That's it. That's all you need to get started. And of course, the pots. All right, toodaloo.